Good afternoon to each and everyone, especially to all the participants of this webinar. Once again, good afternoon po. So this is the second discussion or second topic this afternoon about the Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. So my name is Melvin Pipigora, the ICT coordinator of Tandaay National High School, and my principal is Ma'am Hermelinda J. Minolas. So we will discuss this topic one by one. Okay, so the first one is the Google Docs. What is Google Docs? Google Docs create and edit text documents right in your browser. No dedicated software required. Multiple people can work at the same time and every change is saved automatically. So it means that every person or your colleagues can work collaboratively in Google Docs, but this application need an internet connection or internet connectivity. Okay, so what are the features of Google Docs? So number one, commenting, chat, and real-time editing. So work in a single document with teammates or people outside your company. See edits as others type, communicate through built-in chat, and ask questions through including documents. So this commenting, chat, and real-time editing can be lively or physically seen by each participant or members of the group. You can view the or edit or chat in real-time editing. So for example, as a teacher, so in our profession, we can use this Google Docs if we conduct or we study in the graduate school. For example, we are editing in our thesis. So we will also apply this for our editor. So say for example, in this time in pandemic, we will uh, use this Google Docs to edit our editor through Google Docs. It is um, be used or utilized to edit our thesis. For the students, among the students, it can also used by groups or members. Um, it's depend to our topics and assignment that they are chosen for um, practicum. So they can also use these Google Documents or Google Docs. So number two, works with all popular file types. So you can also import your documents to make them instantly editable, including Microsoft Word and PDF files. Export your work in Docs, PDF, RTF, text, or HTML format. So with this application or with this web application, the Google Docs, we can also import the different types of documents to instantly editable. So in many ways. So say for example, uh, offline or in Google Documents or Microsoft Word, meron na tayong pinaglagay or pinag-input na mga details or pinag-entry na pinag-encode natin, especially sa students ay may pinag-entry na sila mga basic na pinaggawa, and then other members can easily edit that by importing the details or the output to the Google Docs so that other members can easily edit and um, edit and work for the assignment or project. Number three, work across devices with or without internet. Yes, absolutely. Create, edit, and share documents from your iPhone, iPad, or Android devices. So use Chrome for Mac or PC to work in Docs even when you're offline. So it means when you are offline, You can also use this application, but it is necessary when you are using offline. Do not make your battery empty. So, dapat ang kailangan ang battery po natin is hindi malobat para if in case sakali na magkaroon ng internet or data ang ating cellphone, so automatic mag-a-adjust siya doon sa Google Docs na pinag-encode natin if we use the offline application in our mobile devices. And if we have the internet connection, we easily or live yung editing na makikita po. So, yun ang advantage ng Google Docs. Pwede siya sa offline, pwede din sa online. But, huwag natin kaligtaan na huwag natin hayaan na malobat yung cellphone po natin kasi para hindi mawala yung lahat na pinagpaguran natin. Okay po. So, yun po ang number 3. So, number 4, easy to manage sharing controls. You decide who get the access to your documents and folders. Grant individuals or groups the right to edit, view, or just add comments. Using Google Docs, you can also customize whether who is the right person who can edit, view, or just and add comments for your project. You can also share that to easily copy the link, and I will show you how it will be run later on. Okay? So, pwede siyang ma-share kahit kanino, kahit saan, as long as na mayroon internet para siya ma-edit. But sa mga offline naman, automatic siya ma-edit kapag na-open na yung file. Pero pag hindi pa yung na-open yung file na yun, it means hindi po yung ma-edit. So, ganun po yan. Okay, so let us conduct a demonstration for the application on Google Docs. So, in your mobile cell phone, you can download the application, the Google Docs. But in your laptop or desktop, you can easily sign in your Google account or Gmail account. So, let us try. So, open tayo ng browser. So, for example, google.com. Tayo. And make sure na naka-login tayo. Okay? Say for example, I already logged in my account. So, madali pong makita yung Google Docs na yan. So, kung makikita po ninyo sa google.com na ito, itong browser na ito, so makikita po ninyo or mapansin po ninyo dito yung account na mismo mayroon sa tabi ng picture ko, mayroon po yun dyan 9 dots. So, just click that, the 9 dots, and mapunta dito yung Google Docs. Itong mga application na ito, so it means available to sa lahat ng email natin. So, you can also customize it by arranging this icon. Okay, so say for example, madalas natin ginagamit ang Google Docs, so we can easily drag this in this portion. Okay, so ayun, katabi na dun sa my account and Google Docs. So, madali siyang ma-open na. Pag nasa cellphone, pag nasa computer kayo or nasa laptop. Pero pag sa cellphone kayo, you need to download the application, the Google Docs. Okay, so let us start. So just click the Google Docs. And then after we click the Google Docs, so there are templates that are already available, and you can also use in a start or new or blank document. So meron ng blank, and meron na dyan mga templates na makikita natin. Ayan, resume letter, project proposal, brochure, and many more. So meron dyan mga templates. So I suggest we will start on the blank document. So let us click that. Okay. So this area is already like Microsoft Word. So, untitled kasi wala pa siyang title. Pwede natin lagyan ng title. For example, we will input webinar. Nabua TVL or TLE. Okay? So, the file name is webinar Nabua TVL TLE. How to conduct or rename the file name. Okay, so for example, we will type in this area, for example, is Nabua TLE TVL conducting a 3 days webinar, 3 days webinar. So, may entry in this area. So, pwede natin siya ma-share sa lahat ng um, tao. Pero, depende rin sa customization natin kung kanino at sino ang sasendan natin. Okay? So, pwede siya ma-view online ng mga members natin. Okay? So, kasi pwede naman siya dugtungan. So, for example, sa mga students naman, pwede siyang ma-edit or dagdagan. So, let us try how to share this data to other person. Okay? How? So, ganito lang po yun. Doon sa may picture ulit, so, mayroon na dyan share. Okay? So, for example, ito na yun. Share with people in groups. So, for example, pwede tayong mag-share dyan ng pangalan. Mag-add lang, pwede. Or, wait lang. Or, pwede naman yung buong link. Kopyahin natin. How to copy the link? Just get the link. And dapat hindi siya restricted para ma-edit siya or editable siya ng mga members po ninyo. Okay, just click anyone with the link and copy the link. Copy the link and done. So, we will proceed to our social media account. For example, Facebook. So, we can share our project to anyone, to our group chat, to your students, or anyone. Just input your link on the messenger or kahit sa email po. So, okay, hintayin natin siya. Yung facebook.com. Okay. So, ayan na yung Facebook ko. So, pwede nyo siya i-copy-paste doon sa mga message po ninyo, sa group chat po ninyo. So, yun lang po yun. Okay? So, that's all po about sa Google Docs. Okay, so, say for example, mag-try tayo dito sa, sa messenger ko. Ito na yung senior high. Tanda ay senior high. So, pwede tayong yung ayan, sharing na. So, pag nag-click natin yung enter, automatic makikita na po yun. Okay? So, yun lang po about sa sharing of the link. Okay. So, let us continue to our discussion. The next is all about the Google Sheets. Okay. So, in Google Sheets, Google Sheets makes your data pop with colorful charts and graphs. Built-in formulas, pivot tables, and conditional formatting options save time and simplify common spreadsheet tasks. All this free. So all this free, but we will use the internet connection. Okay? So, what are the features of Google Docs? Okay? Number one, get to your spreadsheets anywhere, anytime. Like for Google Docs, we will also install the application, the Google Sheet in our mobile devices or Android devices. But in laptop or desktop, ang importante lang is makalagin po tayo. Okay? So after that, we will access, create, and edit your spreadsheets wherever you go from your phone, tablet, or computer, even when there's no connection. Okay, even we are offline, Basta importante, huwag malulubat yung ating cellphone para hindi mawala ang ating pinaghirapan or pinag-involve. So, kasi pag offline tayo, automatic ma-adjust yung sa ginawa natin in Google Sheets kapag meron na tayong data or internet ang ating mga cellphone or mobile devices. Okay, number 2, do more together. Yes, absolutely. With Google Sheets, everyone can work together in the same spreadsheet at the same time. So, kahit sabay-sabay kayo nagtatrabaho doon sa Google Sheets, pwede. Parehas lang din sa Google Docs. Kaso, dapat meron kayong may time frame para hindi medyo magulo ang inyong ginagawa. Like sa teachers or students naman, may time frame. For example, ganito nga alas 8 ka gumawa nito, dugtungan mo nga ito yung ginawa ko. Okay naman nga, gawa ka nito alas 10 o para naman mayroon kang participation sa ating grupo. So, ganun po. So, we do more together. Okay? Number 3, never hit save again. So, all your changes are automatically saved as you type. Like Google Docs, automatically nasi-save po yun. Basta po may data or may internet connection. You can even use revision history to see old versions of the same spreadsheet sorted by date and made by the change. Kung sino yung nagbago or tinanggal, makikita po yun. Okay? So, also to Google Docs, hindi na po kailangan mag-Control S doon or mag-save po doon kasi automatic na po yung nagsisave. As long as pag nag-type ka, automatic meron na yun nasa save or nakasave na po yun. Sa importante, wag lang po malubat. Okay? Sa mga offline naman, magkakaroon yun ng changes kapag meron ng connection yung cellphone po ninyo. Okay? And then, for the demonstration for the Google Sheets, let us proceed. Punta tayo. So, say for example, dito naman tayo. So, let us type google.com. Ayan. Google.com. And then, doon naman ulit sa side ng my account, you need to sign in. So, after you sign in, makikita yung picture po ninyo, yung profile po ninyo. Sa tabi po ninyo, meron naman 9 dots. Makikita po yun. Ayun na. And then, yung Google Sheet is nandito. Pwede siyang madrag na naman, ma-customize. Kung saan nyo gusto. Okay, so pwede yan ma-edit. Example is ito. Okay, meron na tayong Google Docs and Google Sheets. So, let us try to open the Google Sheets. Double-click lang po. Same as Google Docs. Meron siyang blank and meron na siyang mga templates na available. Okay? So, in that case po, so we will start to input in blank spreadsheet. Okay. So, just click. Okay? So, meron na siyang content dito. Parang Microsoft Excel siya. Okay? Paano naman ulit magkaroon ng file name? So, lagyan natin. Ito lang, untitled. Lagyan natin. Example is webinar. Nabua TVL or TLE. Ayan. So, meron na siyang file name. So, ganun din. Pwede kayong mag-input ng data. For example is name. Ano mas mga bata? Section. Name section. Address. Contact number. Address. Contact number. So, say for example, as teacher, pwede mo itong i-share siya doon sa students mo. And, pag pinag-share mo siya, later po ituturo ko kung paano mo share na naman. So, pwede siyang makita ng mga estudyante mo itong mismong link na ito. And then, your students will automatically entry or input their name, section, address, and contact number. Hindi nyo na kailangan na maggawa or mag-print para magpapirma or mag face-to-face. Kundi, pwede na to sa online. Okay? So, pwede naman siya offline, pero once na ma-view lang siya, pwedeng magamit. And masasave lang po yung ginawa ng bata kahit offline siya pag connected na sa internet. So, yun po. So, for example, sa teacher naman, so, halimbawa, kung may kukunin tayong pangalan, employee number, for example lang, employee number, and then, for example, is lipid email, lipid email, and email, and then yung school. Okay. Ba kung saan school siya. Okay, so when we gather to the details of our co-teachers or teachers from other school, we can also use this web page application, the Google Sheets. So ito yun. So, for example, pag nag-send yung link na yun, pwede natin makuha yung bawat detalye ng mga teachers kahit kasamahan natin or sa ibang school na hindi na kailangan pumunta personally. So, online na lang din. Basta importante yung link na i-forward natin. So, how to share that link? Madali lang po. Like what na ginawa natin sa Google Docs, punta ulit tayo sa tabi ng picture and yung share na makikita nyo. Private to only me. So, we need to share that publicly. How to share? Pwede naman sa tao lang dito. Mag-share lang tayo. Pwede. Okay. So, pwede naman siya ma-share natin para sa lahat. But, kailangan is, hindi siya restricted, kundi anyone with the link. Okay, just copy the link and done. So, same lang as na ginawa natin kanina sa Google Docs, we can easily paste the link para po makita, ma-view ng mga respondents po natin. Mapa-teacher man yan or mas estudyante, ganun po ang proseso po naman. So, yan lang po ang masasabi ko with regards sa Google Sheets. Okay? So, let us continue to discuss my topic. So, the sunod naman is Google Sheets. Okay. Google Sheets. So, in Google Sheets, makikita dito is Google Slides. So, makikita po dyan, Google Slides, create beautiful presentations created together and edit, polish presentation in your browser. So, in Google Slides, there are also features of Google Slides. Number 1, commenting, chat, and real-time editing. Like for the yung Google Docs and Google Sheet, same lang siya sa Google Slides. So, in general, ang slides is parang PowerPoint. Okay? So, we can also work on a single presentation online with your business partner, your whole team, or external contacts. You control who gets permission to edit video or just click comments or view comments, rather. So, pwede siyang ma-customize lang kung sino yung pwedeng sendan natin na tao. Depende po sa inyo kung sino yun lang yung pwedeng maka-view ng link. Okay? So, number 2 naman, easy to design slides. Okay, so start from scratch or expedite the process by choosing a template. You can enhance your presentation with videos, images, drawings, and smooth transition. So, for example, grupo kayo na gumagawa ng Google Slide, pag marami yung idea, pwedeng mas maganda ang inyong presentation. So, parang collaboration with the group or brainstorming ang mangyayari para mas maganda ang inyong presentation. So, yun po ang sa number 2. So, pwede siyang magkaroon ng magandang design or you can also creating interactive design for the presentation. Okay? So let us conduct a demonstration for this. Okay. So in Google Slide also, punta tayo sa ating ito, punta tayo dyan. So ulit, type tayo ng google.com. Okay. So ayan, punta tayo dito sa may picture na to, dun sa mag-login ulit tayo. And then after that, punta tayo sa may 9 dots na yan. And as you can see, meron na slides. So same as lang din sa may picture po, sa may tinuro ko kanina about sa Google Docs, Google Sheets, same lang din sa slides. So pwede din tayo ilagay natin yung, ma-customize natin yung settings or yung icon dito. Okay, yung picture ko, bumaba na, yung account ko, bumaba na. So ayan na. Andito na sa taas yung Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. Okay? So, punta tayo sa Google Slides. So, let us double-click the icon. And then, so ayan, meron siyang blank. May mga template that are also available. So, we can use the blank template. And how to input and file name. Same as lang din. So, punta tayo ng webinar. Webinar Nabua. Okay. TLE TVL. Okay. So, para siyang presentation na nakikita nyo. So, meron siyang mga transition. So, meron dyan. Mga design po ninyo na available po. So, maganda po ang mga available po sa online. Okay. So, ayan. So, mag-brainstorming na lang kayo or collaboration with your colleagues or sa mga estudyante naman kung alin ang gustong pipiliin ng design kasi maraming available po sa online. And we can also save as this offline para magkaroon ng presentation tayo. So, madali lang yun. For example, mag-isip tayo, click lang yung click lang po natin yan. And then, so, file and save. Download, download. So, i-download natin siya as PPTX. Okay, same lang as din sa Word and Google Sheets, pwede natin siya ma-download po. Okay, so ayan, so nasa sa inyo na kung aling animation or presentation ang gagamitin po niyo as long as na maging maganda ang inyong collaboration with the group. So maganda po yun para may banding na yung group ninyo. Okay, so pag nakapila kayo ng design, so pwede na kahit sino ang mag-create. Halimbawa, sa slide ka number 1, sa slide 2 ka naman, so magkaroon ng assignment, magkaroon ng groupings kung sa siya pwedeng mag-edit or mag-design. So, ayan. So, lagyan natin ng tapos dito tayo maglalagay ng mga encode natin. Ayan, dyan. So, parang same lang din as sa Microsoft PowerPoint. And then, how to share this? Madali lang, same lang din. Makikita niyo yung picture ko dyan, yung icon ko. And then, dun sa share. Private naman siya. So, para maging publicly, wait lang. Lagyan yung pangalan. Lang. Pangalan. Ano ba? Webinar. TVL. Okay. So, let us share this. Okay. So, say, for example, pwede sa tao naman, kahit kaninong tao dyan, pwede natin i-share. Pwede nga ma-search yan. Or, same lang din para doon sa get the link. And dapat, anyone with the link. So, just click that and click done. But, before click done, copy link muna and done. Okay, so yun lang po ang pag-copy ng link. So, yun lang po ang pwede maituro sa inyo. Salamat po sa pakikinig, salamat po sa araw po, and salamat po sa pag-participate po para magkaroon tayo ng idea na makita po natin ngayon sa araw na ito at sa masusunod pang panahon, especially in our situation. in our new curriculum of education. Thank you so much and God bless. Bago po ako mag-iwan umalis or may iiwan muna akong mensahe para po sa inyong lahat. So, ito po yan. Sabi dyan, teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. Okay, so teachers is like a candle. So, let us inspire persons around us. So that's all. Thank you so much. My name is Melvin Figura from Tandaay National High School. Thank you so much and God bless po.